In this video, I will show you how to transfer ownership of a Google Ads account. To do this, simply go and open up the Google Ads account, then go to Admin and click Access and Security. And then what you want to do first is click on plus, and here enter the email address of the person that is taking over the account. Then set the access expires to never, and then the account access level to admin, and then from there click send invitation. Then the person will receive an email like this, so accept your invitation to access a Google Ads account. Now they can click accept an invitation, and then from there they can then continue. And now they are also added as a user. Now what you can do is go again to the access and security, and then what you can do is on you or on your account, go all the way over to the right where it says actions, and then there you can click remove access. And then from there you can then click remove access. Now this should be on your email, so that now the other person is the only and main user of this account. So after doing that, you will have transferred the ownership to the other email address and the other person. So now you know how to transfer ownership of a Google Ads account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.